Hiya, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year for everyone, and also I hope you will enjoy this video. Today I will be speaking about this palette, how I did this makeup. I'm gonna try to just switch my usual method where I do my foundation and then the eyeshadow afterwards. I'm just gonna do the eye before and then the foundation afterwards. So let's see how it goes. So I'm just gonna show you the palette before. So it is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Dark Magic is the name. It's with Morphe. So I really like Morphe palette. I think they have a wide range of colors and of tints if you are more cold or warm or maybe intense and neon colors. They have lots of different things to offer, so just check them out if you don't know about them yet. So I'm just gonna show you. So it is a really cool palette, this one. So this is the one I use today. If you like my makeup, just feel free to continue this video. Let's go. I have nothing on my skin. I just wash it with a little foam, you know, that you can use when you're in the shower, just, you know, to cleanse your skin. And then I put my cream is, if I remember, because I have two, this time I use Biotherm, which is aqua source, that I put, you know, really to hydrate my skin. Often I like to use this little tonic before doing all my makeup. I've got it for free, but I think it is, I don't want to say nothing, I should have looked up before, but I think it's around maybe €15, the little bottle like this. I have to check and then I will put it. But yeah, it is from Pixie Beauty. It is a glow tonic, so it brightens your skin. Yeah, it leaves sort of glow, and I think it is good to apply before makeup. Also because I like to do, as I've said before, I like to do a lot of matte makeup, so it is good also, you know, just to brighten your skin a bit, so it's not too yeah, gloomy, and yeah, it just gives you a bit of shine. So that's it. So to start, I will put this Clarins little sort of primer. It is not a foundation, although if you don't like to use, you know, large covering foundation, maybe this one is good, but I will do all my foundation later. Yeah, my skin is very sensitive, so you can still see a bit, yeah, the red marks over there. This I will do later. Also, I have to say that I have a very weird and not very glamorous hairdo for the moment, but this annoys me so much when I see some YouTuber just doing like, they have this already glamorous hairdo and they're doing like this, you know, just tapping because they don't want to ruin their hairstyle. Come on, just put a clip. We all know that you put some clips in your bathroom when you're doing your makeup and then you do your hair. So what's the point? I mean, well, this was my little shout out for the day. So the thing I use for the eyebrow is this little eye brush like this. It is angled, you can see it's a bit old, but yeah, it does the job. And I'm using this little Kiko pomade. You can see also in my previous video which I do my peanut makeup. Now I'm gonna put the first primer, which is the Essence Camouflage, like this. It is very used for the moment too. I'm gonna also put it on my skin. So we can go back at our palette, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm always starting with this very light color. It is named Poof, so I'm gonna use Poof at first and just gonna apply it on the entire eyelid. So then I'm gonna use this one, and it is gonna create the crease that I want without giving too intense color, just the little shade that I need. I'm gonna use this Cut Crease Cream. It is from Revolution Makeup. I really like it. It is very intense. It is the white shade that I took. So what I'm gonna do is that I just put one little bit on my hand, and using a tiny pencil like this, you can see it's the pencil that I use always to do this. I'm gonna create a little angle into the eye on the eyeshadow like this, just so I can put another color without blending the two in. So it's good to apply this white cream before, because then it captures the pigment, and I really like this. Okay, so I think this is enough. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply this little stick, which I use often to cover all the little pimple that I can have, and it is this one. It is from Catrice. It is really thin. This is how it looks like, and often, you know, I just put it here. Okay, so now I have the line, and what I'm gonna use is this one, or this one. It is called Diversion. I don't know if you can see. It is very shiny, and I'm gonna use it to blend it in on the little crease that I've created earlier. So what you can do if you have shaved eyebrow, and is that you can always, you know, trick a bit just to go a bit up with your makeup and do a very nice shape, pointy one like this. I try to do it even though I don't have shaved eyebrow. I really hate my face without any foundation. It is awful, but I like these colors. So this was for this color. Now I'm gonna use this color to finish everything. Now I'm gonna use a fluffier pencil. Can you see how awful it is when you have no foundation and everything's going down? I really don't like, because I like when I do my makeup to think, oh, this step makes me prettier. Oh, this step makes me prettier and prettier, you know, and then I'm just like watching at me. I'm very sorry for what you're watching, guys, but I believe at the end it will be saved. So I'm trying to put a bit under it, because even though I'm gonna cover my eye circle afterward with all my foundation, I'm trying to save a bit of eyeshadow that was intended to put here at first. So that's it. So definitely using a similar color to my eye just made me look very tired. So okay, to people who can just can just outside what the norms are to follow what colors for what type of eye color, but I think I need to just follow it. Is it just me, or it is weird? It is weird. Also because I know that I am not a makeup artist and I'm not really good at it, but I'm trying. Yes, I'm trying. So that's it. That's it for now, folks. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply this one from Essence that I like. It is a highlighter eyebrow, so I'm just gonna put it a bit underneath here and here. Likes how it gives some shine, using this one. Okay, I'm gonna use my usual eyeliner, this one from NYX. And I put my Benefit Bad Girl mascara. Yeah, so definitely I don't like to do my foundation afterwards. It was a Crashtest, but I'm not gonna do this. I really rather prefer just to wipe out everything with a cotton and to think, okay, I ruined my makeup, this is not for me, it leaves too much balls. But you know, I just don't feel pretty when I look at me like this. You know, I have to just wipe out everything here and go back from the beginning, doing this, and just without going on the eyelid. No, I don't really like this method. So here I am. I made my foundation afterwards. Oh, really, if you, like me, are used to do your foundation before your eyes, I do not recommend you just to switch steps, because it was like I really didn't like it because, you know, I just for all these you know, steps of the eye, I didn't really had, you know, this outer view of me where I thought maybe this was good what I was doing. I don't know why, because I was just focusing on my foundation. So yeah, so do not switch steps if you are comfortable with your method. I mean, this is your method and you're not forced to change just because some people said that it is best if you do. I wanted to try, I wanted to see, because I thought maybe it will be easier, because I knew that this makeup just leaves folds a bit. So no, definitely I would stay with my method and maybe just clean out a bit underneath, but that's it. So for the moment I'm just gonna add a bit of highlighter, which is from Winky Looks, like this. I'm not really a highlighter fan, but I'm just gonna put a bit here and underneath my eye, on my bones, like this, just a bit here. Not very big fan, so just doing this very quick, very simple, and I like how this one is very good. I like when it's creamy, when it's powdery. I don't really know how to make it work. Like I have this brush, you know, wide and thin brush that you can use to create a little zone of highlight, but I'm not a very big fan, so you know, just this is okay, just little simple touch. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this MAC one, which is already used, obviously. It is 608, like this, so it's an old pink. Yeah, so I'm not a big fan of MAC. I think I've got this one for free too. I like how smooth my lip are when I'm using it. I like how not too shiny it looks, and I like the tint. So yes, that's it. This is for the look for today. So I hope you like this video. If you have some other idea of what to, I don't know, what palette to use, I don't know which steps you want me to describe more. I'm just going with the flow for the moment. Just if I have an idea, I'll just show you, and I hope you like it. But if by any chances you have some idea that you want to tell me, just go for it. I'm very open. So yeah, so I think that's it. Well, thanks again for listening, for watching until the end, and do not forget to subscribe. Hit a little button like this. Yes, that's it, and speak soon.